Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Five Guys burgers and fries. As you can see, we have instead of a bun, I got lettuce wrapped with, so it's a double cheeseburger with grilled onions, jalapenos, ketchup and mustard, pickles, and tomato. And then over here we got some fries from Five Guys. You know how I do. All right, y'all, I'm hungry. Let's get to eating. Okay, so I know I'm hungry. That's all I can tell y'all. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get a little bit of fizz. I'm gonna get that fizz action. Let's sit first. So, because I know it's gonna get messy, y'all. I know it's gonna get messy, so I got gloves. Just for the aesthetic, because as y'all can see, my background different. So I had to match. Ketchup, almost out of ketchup. Ooh, y'all, look at all that ketchup. Might as well eat a fry now. I already prayed too, y'all, so. I just want to say Five Guy fries are one of the best fries on the market. I'm tripping. So good. Let's get into this burger. Y'all, and it's a dense beast. Can y'all see? Dense. Ooh. So good. I want to give y'all crunch factor. So good. Black napkin, black background, black gloves. I have my producer in the back watching me. I'm joking, y'all. My husband. Food is so good. If you see it keep spinning, you guys, it's because I have this tray that's under it that spins. I'm sorry, I want a bite. I'm sorry. So freaking good. I wonder if this is my first mukbang with using my ZV-1 camera. I want to say so. I want to say so. I want to say so. How juicy that is. I prefer the lettuce over the buns anyway. This is very messy. You guys, look. A burger almost escaped. I'm getting notifications, y'all. I'm so sorry. I have to ring the app. Don't mind it, baby. It's fine. He's trying to, you know, do beat production control. No. This was good. First meal of the day. I love how the colors pop against the screen, y'all. Hungry. This angle, y'all. See how my stuff is turning? So messy. I'm just gonna hit the jalapeno pepper. Not eating too fast? I wouldn't know. If I didn't see, today's drink is Seagram's Ginger Ale. Y'all, my husband, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And it's dripping, y'all. Because it's juicy. But I gotta do this because, oh, okay. This is the messy part. The crunch factor. Is it weird to lick the glove? Oh well. No bitches. So, I'm not sure if I want to bring this up or not. Because I feel like I'm always saying it. But I will. I will. I've been in MA for about what? 3 months? If I don't know, YouTube is not my full-time job. So, I have been living life, settling in, and working. That's the truth of it all. I miss YouTube very much. I'm so thankful I can make this video right now. Y'all don't even know. YouTube is like is a passion and a hobby for me. So, to be able to do it is very stress relieving. So so yeah, living life is what I've been doing for like 3 months. If I haven't noticed, if I didn't know, I moved in January. Look at that, y'all. It's like a secret garden of goodness. I'm gonna try to pull this down because eating aluminum foil will kill my teeth. Oh man. My gloves are blue. Ranch off. Look at this mustardy, oniony goodness. So I'm really glad to be able to make this video, y'all. So many times I've set up stuff, I'm like, oh, I can't do it because something come up, or I'm too tired to do it. Food gonna be cold. But this time, things worked out. Things worked out greatly. So, I'm not gonna tell y'all what's to come on my channel because I have no clue at all. So, but I'm excited for whatever happens on my channel, whatever I film. I'm excited for. If this thing don't stay still, y'all. Look at this. Hey, mukbanging is not perfect. Look, y'all. Dripping. I'm down to this little piece here. It's so messy. I warned y'all, didn't I? Let's see how we're gonna do this. This boat of juice sitting here. I'm not gonna touch that. So good. Yes. Yes. So good. So freaking good. Now we just have the fries. Let's go ahead and make that our main attraction here. ketchup. You even see the ketchup? Hold on. You still can't see it. Oh. So good. Hey, offer me water. No, thank you. So, some fun things to talk about is I've been trying to choke on camera. You see what happens when you let your spouses in on your filming time? They be acting up. I haven't burped yet, y'all. That's very unlike me. Nothing. Nothing. Can you even see, or should come back some? There we go. That's better, right? Now you can see what I'm eating. Can I finish these fries? Oh no. I probably can. I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Some good news. What's going on in my life? Why the fries so good? This one dipped in the juice of the burger. Excuse me. And there we are. So, I'm gonna get there. But realistically, I came to see me eat. That's all. Okay. Now I can talk. I get that fry craze in my system. So, my boo, my baby, my son, is starting daycare October of this year. They're like, oh, he already in daycare? No. No. We weren't comfortable until these recent times, so, But I'm so excited. I will have the time, more freedom. If you're a mom who works remote like I do, and the children still are at the age where they still can be at home, it can be very difficult sometimes to work and watch your child. Specifically, my son is, well, he'll be 2.5 in May. He's a toddler. He wants to run, jump, bang on things, destroy stuff. I can't wait till October, y'all. I can't wait. My birthday passed. I am 29 years old. Happy belated birthday to me. Excuse me. That's it. In fun news, I'm trying to figure out when's our next vacation is going to be. Please comment below if you have any ideas. We're looking to stay in the States. looking to stay in the States because we don't have passports just yet. So yeah, I hate me for doing one fry at a time. One fry. But yeah, I think it's some good news, y'all. I just remembered I got a new Apple product. Well, technically, I've gotten 2 new Apple products since you last saw me. One I'm wearing on my wrist. Ooh, sorry. My wrist, my little boo-boo. It's the Apple Watch, the most recent Apple Watch. And I got the iPad Air 2022. And the majority reason why I got it is for a YouTube channel. So, beginner friendly review will be coming out when? I don't know. Really don't. Ginger ale. I really don't know when, honestly, because it really depends on my work schedule. But being that I did this video, the momentum shall happen. Bye-bye. Y'all, we're coming to the end. So, mind you, y'all, I have no knowledge of iPads. It's just like a small computer, right? So, I've downloaded this app called Procreate. Y'all, I'm in love. In love. In love. Okay. Okay. Clear. I am done. There's no need for us to be here any longer, right? Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel and continue to watch my videos. Sporadic they may be, but thank you for watching and subscribing. And if you're not subscribed, just think about it. Go through my little catalog and just think about what you want to, you know what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.